Alright guys, there we go. Wanted to introduce you guys to the new project for the channel. It is a 96 Acura Integra RS model. For those who didn't know, the RS model comes with no ABS and no sunroof. I feel like these Integra RS models are more highly desired in the community, partly because it has no moonroof and none of the ABS system to mess with. This one kind of comes bare bones already. It does come with power windows, which is a great option, and in my opinion, one of the only options that you really need for one of these cars. I'm excited to get this thing cleaned up. As you guys can see, it looks like this car has been neglected for some time. I know the owner who I had bought it from had mentioned that he had a new vehicle that he was driving as a daily driver and just wanted to be done with this particular project. It does come with a pretty classic Fast and Furious style 3-piece spoiler, which I will hopefully be removing here very soon as I get this thing cleaned up. I'm crossing my fingers, hoping that the side pieces for the spoiler are not bolted in to the rear quarter panel pieces and they're just glued on. I did try nudging one of them already, and it seems to be the case that they're just kind of double-sided tape or glued in. Goals for the interior, I plan to strip everything out of it and get that carpet a good shampooing. The door panels are pretty wavy. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. Either look for new door panels or try to get it to sit back. I think that this car is going to be a great base and a really fun project. This car is an automatic, and my plans are to manual swap it. I am currently looking for parts to do that swap. I've done a little bit of research so far. It seems to be quite a few bits and pieces that need to be accumulated to do the swap. Once everything is gathered, i.e. transmission, all of the miscellaneous pieces for the manual swap, it looks like the swap itself should not be too difficult. Definitely plan to take you guys along for the ride. We got to get this thing washed and waxed and see what's underneath all of this grease and grime on the body panels.